Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the session. Today is September the 27th. We are going to start with the activities. We have 23rd presents, and obviously we are going to start with that, okay? We have, in this case, remember that yesterday we were talking about the unit number 3, and obviously we were using, okay, just wait a minute. Just wait a minute, okay? And we were working with some information related to reading, and you have the task to complete about them, right? So remember that we have the activity number 5 that we have to complete according to the story that we have into this case, right? We are going to start, please. Melanie Navarro, start reading, please. We're going to start reading, and later we're going to check the errors, okay? Or the sentences that were missing. Melanie Navarro Reyes. Melanie Navarro Reyes. Bueno, la voy a tener que sacar porque no está. Ok, continue, please. Mauricio Gómez.
Okay, Miss. La lectura. On a recent trip, the Cloud family had quite quiet an adventure when they were staying in Scotland. The remote holiday cottage John and Helen Cloud had booked was on the edge of a lake and is difficult to head to. The only way to reach the house was on foot or across the water.
Number 2.
Fortunately, the family had their canoe, and so they paddled across the lake. 10 minutes later, they were inside the cottage. John tied their canoe up safely in a little stream behind the house. Behind the house, and they all thought everything was fine until the next morning. The family woke up and found the whole area was under water. The stream was flowing very fast, and the ties around the boat were broken. The canoe had gone. John and Helen didn't want to be stuck there. They knew they had to head back to their car. But how? It was too difficult for the younger children to walk on wet ground.
Thank you, Mauricio. Continue, Diana Medina. The officers
helped, but they gave the family more than advice. The police arranged for a train to make an extra stop and pick them up. And it wasn't just any train.
A ver, bájale un poquito el volumen de tu televisor. Está que retumba acá. And it wasn't
just any train. The next service that was passing was a wonderful steam train called the Jacobite. It runs tourist trips through beautiful countryside, and on its route it crosses the Glenfinnan
Viaduct.
As soon as they knew about the plan, the family dragged their stuff into bags and boxes. While they were running up to the railway line, the train appeared on the track. The, when
When
the when the train stopped right next to them, they were smiling with
excitement.
excitement. Do you know why? It wasn't just because they were safe. The kids recognized the train from a story they knew. Do you recognize it too?
Recognize it too, okay? So what are the red words? What are the red words that we have here? In this case, Ariana, read the red words that we have in the middle of the story. Ariana Villasis. Ariana Villasis. Okay, bye. Israel Lopez, continue, please. What are the red words that we have here?
John and Ellen didn't want to be stuck there. They then they had to get back to get back to their car, but how?
But how? Okay, but how? That is about this, okay? Well, those are some of the sentences that we have here, okay? Now we go to the new vocabulary. Now we go to the new vocabulary that we have to talk about this, okay? We are going to read about some of the words that we said, please. And we have attention to the following. I need that you Google white staying remote cottage. Please, I need that you Google into dictionary online, and I need that you write into the Zoom chat. Google and write into the Zoom chat, okay? Let's do it, please. Bucket, age of, okay, to reach, on foot. Okay, so quickly, please. I need that you start with the first words, okay? White, staying, remote, cottage, book, age, reach, on foot. Please, right now, Google the words, please. Use the Zoom chat. Very good, Israel, okay? Israel and Andrew, okay? Continue with the rest. White. Google the words, okay? Maria Belén started. Kevin, okay. Okay, let's do it. I'm taking notes about the students that are posting, okay? Isaac, Ashley. Remember, quiet, stay, remote, book, age, reach, on foot. Let's do it quickly. Tengo 25 estudiantes dentro del aula y solo son 4 o 5 los que están, los mismos que están trabajando. El resto no tiene puntaje. No quiero quejas posteriores. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Remember book. The word is booked. Okay. Mayorga, be careful with age of. The age of, in this case, it says age of a lake. Pay attention to the meaning, age of. Okay. Mauricio, book, no, that is not Mauricio Gomez, incorrect book. Pay attention to the verb. It's a verb. No, Gabriel Escobar, be careful with booked. In this case, book is a different verb. Let's do it. Age of, book, reach, on foot. Okay. On foot, everybody please. Juan Jose, Juan. Okay, let's do it. Okay, lady. Very good, lady, that's correct. Lady and Juliana got the reach in this, right? Ashley Mesa, Alan Cajo, I don't want in Spanish. It's not valid. What about age of? Age of. I want age of. Let's do it, age of. Okay, Juan Jose on foot. Very good. Okay. What is age of? Nobody gave me the age of. Let's do it. Let's do it with the vocabulary words.
Miss,
Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Continue
mira,
with it. Tell me.
dice Ariana, la cajeta Ariana, de que se va a intentar conectar de otro celular ya que
Perfecto.
el que estaba no le funcionaba el micrófono.
Perfecto.
Ok.
Okay. Continue. Paddled. Okay. Tired. Tie up. Tied up. Stream. Please continue with the words. Canoe, padlet, tied up, a stream. Continue with the words. Continue. Google the words. Continue with the words. Canoe, paddle, tied. Okay. Very good. Very good. Woke up, whole. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it quickly. Flowing. Continue, continue. To be stuck. Wet. Ground. Let's do it. Let's do it quickly, quickly. Okay. The students, quickly. The students keep posting the words. Very good. Okay. Advice. Arranged. Pick up. Remember that pick up is one word. Okay. Passing. Countryside. Road. Stuff. Trucks. Excitement. Recognized. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it quickly, please. Quickly. Hurry up. Hurry up. Let's do it. Let's do it quickly. Quickly. Let's do it. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay, Isaac. Very good. Pay attention to the words that you are posting. Okay, those are part of the vocabulary that we're having on that. Okay, very good. Okay, Naile, Alan. Okay, very good. Valesca, Mayorga, Isaac, Ángel, Tituania, Mauricio, Carlos Sea, Kevin, Rodrigo, Mayorga, Naide, Juan Rugel, Bemus. Continue, continue, Brittany Mosquera. What happened with the rest? Adrian. Continue, continue. All the students, Juliana, Medina, okay, Ashley. Hey, quickly, quickly, please. Remember that according to what you were posting, it depends on to your participation also. Okay, so we got some of the words, okay? Ready? Very good, okay? So we have, for example, into the first part of this, okay? Vemos. What is quite vemos? Can you give me the first word address? Andrew. White, state, remote, cottage, book, age.
That
Age on foot, okay?
she relaxed or her neighborhood not exercise.
Yeah. Any other? Continue, vemos.
Edge of The position of using the most advanced methods.
Continue.
Try to fasten the rail to ends of a pipe string or other long the material of the cause to hold together with a long thin piece of string material etc.
Okay, continue.
In canoe, a small light narrow boat pointed at both ends and moving using a paddle.
Okay, Kevin Troncoso, continue. What is walk up, whole, flowing, to be stuck? In the group number 3.
And woke up to cause something become await a concilio after sculpting.
Yeah. Continue with the rest of the words. Go, whole, flowing, to be stuck. Continue, Kevin. Kevin, continue. Flowing, to be stuck. Wet ground. Brittany Mosquera, continue with the number 3.
And
Brittany Mosquera. Whole in the number 3. You have to phone it. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Let's do it. What is about the group number 3? Carlos Lince, number 3. Woke up, whole, flowing, to be stuck, what ground? Carlos. Give me the meanings. Carlos, I'm waiting for you. Carlos, woke up. You have in the chat, you have some of the meanings. No están trabajando en la información. Ese es el gran problema. Volvemos a lo mismo. Después, cuando se están cayendo en las notas, ahí vienen los sustos. Carlos, what is woke up? In the chat, you have the information, Carlos. Juan Rugel, woke up. Okay, Brittany, did you find?
Woke up to the cow sounded too. The cow and were on the concert after a spin.
Okay, whole. Continue with the rest of the words. Whole. What is whole? Brittany, what is whole? Juan Rugel, whole, flowing, to be stuck, what ground? Juan Rugel. Voy a tener que mandar la notificación a los padres porque definitivamente les di toda la hora de ayer, la que sobraba, para que pudieran trabajar esto. Juan José Barrera, please, tell me.
Miss, el cadete Lince dice que no le vale el micrófono y que por eso
No,
no
aquí
puedo responder.
todos tienen que trabajar. Aquí no hay pretexto alguno. Y no me interrumpan la clase por decirme, dice tal cadete que. No me interrumpan la clase.
Ya, Miss, hold.
Cada quien tiene que tener sus materiales. Un cadete del Liceo Naval no puede estar pendiente de que se le dañó el micrófono, que se le dañó la cámara. Discúlpenme. Claro, hemos hablado. Las clases son normales porque cuando el profesor no se conecta, ustedes son los primeros afectados. Y asimismo, cuando un docente está en clase y no trabajan, todos salimos afectados. Vamos. Aquí no es que sí ni que no. Ok, Brittany, tell me.
And wallet. The
Yeah,
complete or not the divided.
not divided. It's a full section of something, right? Very good. Continue. Any other with flowing? Flowing. What is?
Flowing. Produced in a small with contours or the rallies stealing.
That is not properly that. Flowing, that runs. For example, the water is flowing. That is, the water is running, for example. Continue. To be stuck. To be stuck.
Unaware to the moon, their part clear posting the place or the white of the trinkle.
To be stuck. Any other person that can tell me about to be stuck? For example, I was in my car. I was driving my car and I was stuck, trapped. It's impossible to move, to be stuck. Cuando estás atrapado en un lugar, to be stuck. Okay? Continue. Wet ground. Wet ground.
On or offline used for a particular the purpose on the activity.
No, wet ground. On wet ground that is not ordered. Okay, that it's not, in this case, that is wet, is the opposite to dry. Okay, well, we continue. Lady Duran, advise, arrange, pick up, passing, countryside, road, in the section number 4, lady.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Advice is an opinion that someone offers you about what you should do or how you should act in a particular situation.
Okay. Continue with the full block. Arranged. Lady, continue. Arranged. Lady, arranged.
Please. ¿Sí me puede escuchar?
Yes, of course.
Es que estoy hablando, pero parece que no me escucha.
En este momento sí. Arranged.
Arrange. You're talking about their position in relation to each other.
Arrange, in this case, arrange is like to plan something. In this case, arrange is like to plan something. When you get the contact and plan something. Continue. What is pick up, lady? What is to pick up?
Pick up is to lift someone or something.
To take, to collect, okay? Continue. Passing. What is passing, lady?
Passing is the act of giving something to someone.
Okay. Countryside. What is the countryside?
Countryside is land not in towns, cities, or industrial areas.
Very good. Outside the industrial areas. Road. Road.
Route is a particular way or duration between places.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, Maria Belén. Block number 5. Staff, track, excitement, recognized.
Stuff, a substance, especially when you know or say exactly what it is.
The stuff is your personal objects. Stuff is the personal objects. My purse, my clothing, my books, okay? Continue, tracks.
The pair of long metal bars fastened on the ground at an equal distance from each other along which trains travel.
Okay. Okay, on the tracks, for example, the train is coming and the rails, those are the tracks, okay, the metal rails. Continue, excitement.
Excitement, a feeling of being excited or an exciting event.
Okay, very good, with a lot of happiness, okay. Continue, recognized.
Recognize to know someone or something because you have seen or heard him or her or experienced it before.
Very good, okay, recognize to identify. Conclusion, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 words. 28 words. Tómale la captura de pantalla o si no, coja el resaltador y resáltelas. O va a tener la grabación disponible ya mismo, ¿ok? Take the capture. We are going to do in the second part of the activity, please highlight the words. In the second part of the activity, we're going to do an online activity with these words. That's the reason why I need that you have the meanings of the words according to this. Okay? Because we're going to do an activity. Take the captures, please. Take the captures. 1, 2. Take your captures, please. So because you are going to need the information, okay? Very good. Okay. Ready? Okay. So we continue with this. Using the same words that we have here, now we're going to identify the activity number 6. Por favor, en 5 minutos se va a caer la sesión, nos volvemos a conectar. Se cae la sesión, nos volvemos a conectar de inmediato. Comandante de curso me está escuchando, ¿verdad? Ok, se cae la sesión, nos volvemos a conectar de inmediato. Okay, so in this case, Juan Rugel, start reading, please.
Read the news story again. 5 sentences have been removed from the text. For each question shows the correct answer. There are 3 extra sentences which you do not need to use.
Okay? Remember, in this case, Juan is going to extract the sentences. In this story, you have spaces, space 1, space 2, did you remember? Space 3, space 4, and space 5, okay? What is the sentence number 1, Juan? What is the sentence number 1 for this? What is the order of the sentences? Can you give me the order of the sentences, Juan?
Letter D.
The number 1, what is the letter?
Letter D.
Okay. Just give me a time. Okay. What is the other? Number 2?
Letter B.
Okay, continue. Number 3, what is the next one? 1. Number 3.
Letter F.
Letter F. Okay. Sorry. Okay, number 4.
Letter A.
A. Continue. Number 5.
Letter C.
Okay, so we are going to verify what is exactly. It's incorrect. Okay, what is the correction that we are going to do in this case? Right? Remember that you're going to have in this case, what is the correction? Okay, and we have the correct answers about this. Those are the correct answers. Okay, remember that we have in the first part, why is the letter G? Neither Mayorga. What is the letter G? Read the explanation.
Sentences explain why in the text sentence at the gap it says they had to get to the house on foot or by water.
Very good. It says they had to get the house on foot or by water. Please, I need that you copy the information about that. It says that they had to get the house on foot or by water. Okay, that is the reason of the number 1. Okay, that is the reason of the number 1. Cuando ya pase la grabación, como ustedes ya tienen el enlace del YouTube, ustedes van a poder copiar en su libro las razones por las cuales, porque ahorita no van a avanzar. So, we continue with the number 2. Attention. Why is the letter B in the number 2, Ashley Mesa?
Although the accommodation was basic, they were warm and they had food.
Okay, and with the information about the cottage in this case, right? Very good. Continue. Next one, Ashley. Why is the letter 3?
In the end, John ran to police for help.
Okay, the police, the officers. Okay. Continue, number 4.
Luckily for the crews, there was a railway line just near the house.
Okay,
near
to
the
rest
house.
the house. Okay, continue. When next one, the number 5.
The children couldn't believe their eyes.
Okay, couldn't believe their eyes. Okay, that is the correct statement that we have into this. Okay, so if you want to take the captures for the moment, it's important in this case, right? This is the first part of this, that is the number 5, okay, according to this. We got to the number 6. Recuerda que se acaba la sesión, nos volvemos a conectar de inmediato todos para la asistencia, okay? So we have some phrases that we are going to work on to this. Naile.
Number 6. Pin words parsers in the news story that have this meaning.
Okay, number 1.
Number 1. Far from other people.
What is the correct expression?
Other.
Remote, remote, remote. Okay, number 2.
Number 2. Held sometimes in place while roper are street. Tied up.
Tied up. Tied up. Number 3. Nos volvemos a conectar, chicos, de inmediato. Number 3.
Water moving. Flower.
Flowing, flowing, okay? That is specifically the words in the first part of this. Nos volvemos a conectar, okay? Bye, babies.